Hello, today you will learn about IGNOU MCA BCA Revised Solved Paper of December 2020. Question 1. What is the difference between declaring a variable and defining a variable? Explain with the help of an example.
Declaring a variable means creating a variable with a specific data type and a name, without allocating memory for it. It informs the compiler about the existence and data type of the variable. Defining a variable involves both declaration and allocation of memory to the variable. It assigns an initial value to the variable, thereby providing it with a memory location where the data can be stored. Here's an example to illustrate the difference.
Question 2. How does Java application differ from Java applet? Do we write public static void main, string args, in applet? Justify.
Java applications and Java applets are both Java programs, but they are designed to serve different purposes and run in different environments. Java application. A Java application is a standalone program that runs on the client side or server side without the need for a web browser. It typically has a main method and can be executed from the command line. Java applications are not subject to the security restrictions of a web browser and can access system resources directly. Java applet. A Java applet is a small application that runs within a web browser with the help of a Java-compatible browser plugin. It is intended for embedding interactive content in web pages. Java applets are subject to certain security restrictions imposed by the web browser to prevent potentially malicious actions.
Question 3. Write short note on Layout Manager and its role.
A layout manager in Java GUIs controls the arrangement of components within a container, determining their size and position. Key roles include component placement, automatically positions and sizes each component, ensuring a visually appealing and functional layout. Dynamic resizing adjusts component sizes and positions when the container is resized, maintaining layout integrity. Platform independence ensures consistent display of components across different platforms and devices. Ease of development simplifies UI creation by handling component arrangement, eliminating manual positioning. Java offers various layout managers like flow layout, border layout, grid bag layout, and box layout, each with specific rules for component arrangement, allowing developers to choose based on their GUI design needs.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.